Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's April 21st, 2025, and it's around 9:20 in the morning. And it's pretty out here, but it has a very cold wind blowing. Yeah, some lines in the sky. So hopefully stays bright. Got things to do. Hope it warms up. It's 49 degrees and the wind's starting to kick pretty good now. See, the hybrid poplars are getting their leaves now. I love this time of year where everything starts getting green again. And then around June or so, everything starts drying up. Well, I go get some coffee and warm up. Whew, it's cold out here. I'll catch you later.